Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Importify dropshipping app review, finding and importing products easily. Importify is a dropshipping app designed to help online entrepreneurs easily find and import products from various suppliers, primarily AliExpress, Alibaba, and others, directly into their online stores on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Jumpseller. It's targeted towards dropshippers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros, who want to streamline their product sourcing and listing process. Key features seem to include automated product importing, pricing rules, and inventory syncing. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Importify promotes itself as a time-saving tool that simplifies dropshipping. They emphasize ease of use and highlight their semi-automated features to help users price and import products efficiently. While they don't advertise no contracts or no hidden fees explicitly, their pricing page seems pretty straightforward. They compare themselves favorably to other dropshipping apps by offering integrations with a wider range of e-commerce platforms and more advanced features like custom pricing rules. You can check their website for the latest availability and integrations. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Importify. Setting up Importify with my Shopify store was surprisingly simple. It was basically a click and install process through the Shopify App Store, and the onboarding walkthrough was clear and helpful. Navigating the Importify dashboard is pretty intuitive. I searched for phone cases on AliExpress using the Importify Chrome extension, and within seconds, I was able to import several options directly into my store with just a few clicks. I even customized the product descriptions and pricing using their built-in tools. The product information synced pretty quickly between AliExpress and my store, which is important for keeping inventory and pricing accurate. I was really impressed by how easy it was to apply custom pricing rules. I set up a rule to automatically mark up all imported products by 25%, saving me a ton of time. One minor drawback I found was the occasional hiccup with product syncing. There were a couple of times where the inventory on my store didn't match what was on AliExpress, but refreshing the product in Importify generally fixed it. I also had a quick question about integrating with another supplier, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful answer. The standout feature for me was definitely the Chrome extension. It made importing products a breeze. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Importify. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs for finding and importing products efficiently, and I'd recommend it to other dropshippers. That's my overview of Importify. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.